Hello my friends, welcome to this saga about the reorganization of my studio. Today, a very important step I was expecting since a long time was to install shelves on this wall here. This will really save me a lot of space and facilitate the access to the tools. Let's go! Some important words about electricity and water. Here in this angle you can see also my computer cable holder, a very useful tool in case you are teleworking. But now let's come back to electricity and water in the walls. So here it's quite obvious because the electricity is visible, so I didn't have any doubt when making my holes. But of course, in case you want to install a shelf within the living room or within any room, for instance, the electricity will be hidden inside the wall. This is why you have to check up front, even before taking the measures, if there is not some electricity at the place you want to put the holes. For this, I invite you to have a look on my video about how to make sure that you're not drilling into electricity wires or into water pipes. We'll start with cleaning the wall here, because if I want to install this here for holding the shelves, it will make a bad result. So I will remove these boards. Normally you can remove a nail with the racking bar, like this. So it's not always working. It is from time to time. Now that we have, now that the wall is prepared, let's make a quick analysis of the situation. So the idea is to keep the space here for putting the old workbench I had before. So we will be putting the shelves only on the top. And for this I bought these ones, and these are 1 meter high, which is of course cheaper than 2 meters, but you have longer ones of course. And I'll be fixing them like more or less this, 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 and this. So this is 15. And here is 15 as well. Then I deducted these. Initially it was 264. If I reduce by the 30, my length is 234. So this here is 234. And I have 4 attached, 4 crémaillères, but it means I have 3 spaces. And then I calculate 234 divided by 3, which makes 78 centimeters. So now it means I'm taking the wall. So this is the wall. I will position now the first crémaillère here at a distance of 15 centimeters to the wall. Another point here on this part, even though it's only 1 meter, there are 10 holes. Of course, I will not attach it with 10 holes. 3 holes in my case will be sufficient. You may add more in case you are putting, for instance, pure metal or let's say gold bars, then you should put more. but in reality butts are extremely powerful, so 3 is largely enough. And then there's another thing I have to do, is to check that the screw and the butts are fitting with my bar here. How to check this out? You take the bar, you put the screw inside. So first of all, you see it's perfectly fitting here, which makes that there will be a good holding power. And then I'm checking the length of the butt, and you can see that it's fitting perfectly. So here for this installation, I will use 8 diameter with a length of 40. So now for making the first reference, I will finally put it more than 15 centimeters. Here it's around 20. And I made the marking for my first hole. And now we can go ahead for making the holes. And of course now you know how to do, thanks to my video about how to make good holes in the wall. And what is very important is to take the power drill. I will make 4 times 3 holes. So this is 12 holes, so better to have a good machine. Now I will show you how to position this thing perfectly vertically. Now I've put the first screw, slightly tightened but not too much. This will enable me to position it perfectly vertically, which is like this here. So now it's vertical. And now I will take the very thin drill. And this is for taking the references on the wall. So there's a reference here and another here on the bottom. Okay. I'm putting the other butts. Now I'm tightening the one on the top, and this here is now super solid and perfectly vertical.